Good morning, class. We are going to be talking about orthographic drawings. So these are drawings that are in two dimensions, and they show or portray something in 3 dimensions. The other thing we're going to talk about are nets. So nets are a two-dimensional shape that if you cut it out, put it together, it would become a three-dimensional shape. Okay, so that's what we were going to do today. It might actually be a shorter lesson, but then we'll practice it in our Zoom call today. So actually our Zoom call may be earlier than we usually have, okay? So orthographic, how to read in orthographic drawings. So they give us this top view right here. As you notice, this top view has these dark lines. These dark lines tell us there's breaks, or rather like height changes, so that this square, and this square, and this square, and this square all have different heights, but these two have the same height. Okay, so the top view indicates 3 changes in height and one column in front of the right. Yeah, so you see that? Then this front view is the next thing we look at. So we look at this. This would be like if we were standing in front of a building taking a picture. So the front view gives us that there's 3 changes in height. The farthest left has 2. The second one has 3, so this one is 3, and this one is 2. And then you see this thick. This means there's 1 change in depth. Okay, so from the left view, we see a change in depth. This would be like looking on this side of it to the building right here. This is, we see that first one's 2, a change in height, and then a change in depth. That there's 2 changes in depth, right, from here to here. Okay, right view. So we see on the right that these two are connected. So this means that the furthest right place has 2. First left is actually just a 1 square. Okay, and then these are height changes. Okay, so there's 2 height changes. The solution. So the solution is 2, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay. Again, if you look at it from above, there's a change in height here, here to here, here to here, here to here. So that fits this. The left would show us a change in height here between these two, and a change in depth between these two. Okay, the front view, what we discussed earlier, and then the right view, that these two are the same, and then there's a change in depth and a change in depth. Okay? Okay, let's try another one. So this one, on the top, we see 4 changes in height. Okay? From the front view, we see that there's a change in depth here between the furthest left. So there's a change in depth here, so that there's a 1 square difference. And then there's a change in depth here, so that the front is 1 square, and behind it is 3 height. From the left, you see that we have a change in depth here, so that's marking this change in depth, and nothing else, nothing new information. From the right view, that is this side, we see a change in depth, so that 1, 3 is all connected, and then there's a change in depth 4 and 5. So that would fit this drawing. Now, there is a way to draw it with these dot stuff, so we'll explore that. Okay. Okay, which drawing is correct? Is the correct corner view. So this is a quarter view, like looking at the drawing, almost a 3-dimensional picture. Is it? Remember, dark lines indicate changes in height, in depth. This one does not have any changes between the two. There's connection. The front view shows us the front 2 are the same height, and then the back are different height. And the right view also shows a change in height. Okay, so which one fits this? Well, A has how many squares? It has 1, 2, 3 on the base. This has 4. So we already know this can't be it. What about this one? This is 1, 2, 3. Again, actually wouldn't work. But additionally, this wouldn't work because the front view wouldn't be accurate. So let's see, front view is accurate, right? Change in depth, and the back view has that. Left view shows accurate, and the right view shows accurate. So this one would seem accurate. This one, the base is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, and that's only a 4 from the top. Okay, so the top really tells you what your base is going to look like. Okay, so your correct answer should be C. Okay, given this, I want you to my apologies. I want you to come to the Zoom call prepared with what this would look like from an orthographic perspective. That is a top, left, front, right view, okay? Okay, so I want you to draw what this looks like from top, from left, and then from front, and from right, okay? Okay, so sketch that. I'll pause it and sketch out what you think it would look like. So remember, top, left, front, right. Okay, I'll give you a second to pause it. Okay. So this is not, and then practice drawing the the corner view using this information right here. So we're going to end the video here, and then we're going to go into other practice, okay? So again, these are our two things that we're going to come to class prepared to show, to demonstrate, okay? So you do not need to upload these. Actually, that's a good question. Should we upload them? No, no, we won't upload them. Okay, so just come to class prepared to do more of these and understand them, okay? So remember the top view, the left view, the front view, and the right view, okay? Okay, so we're gonna switch. So we have this worksheet, which is on the wrong page, my apologies. Okay, so again, we're gonna make an orthographic drawing of the figures shown right here. And so this gives us the front, the right, and this gives us a quarter view. So we could draw the orthographic in here. This is a net model. So if we folded at the folds, what shape would this be? What solid would we be dealing with? And this one, what would this look like as a net? So if you unfolded it, kind of stretch it out so it was like this, what would this shape be? Okay? Okay, that's gonna be it. I will have these uploaded. There is a sheet so that you can learn how to make the corner view, and then in class we will also do practice on. I will give you guys the same guide. Okay, thank you so much, and I hope you had a great morning. Bye.